Hello there, my name is Danny from AITT. I was sent here by Amina to 4KS forklift training. I have recently just passed my reach and counterbalance with my instructors Drew and Raj. They are both great instructors, they are both patient, they are amazing people to work with. Through 4KS we have great facilities, we have great lounge to take your breaks in, we have a cafe just around the corner. When it comes to 4KS themselves, we have perfect machinery, perfect forklift trucks, perfect warehouse. All your equipment can be supplied if you haven't got it. It's all in all a great place to be. If you have any problems with your training, never be afraid to ask any questions you have. If you are new to driving a forklift, it's a perfect place to be. We are here to help you in every way. If you are coming from recent experience, it's even better for you. As myself, it helps a lot with training.